The Erbium Nanopeel is similar to a light chemical peel. The advantage of the nanopeel is that your skin doesn't actually peel off. So even though we call it a nanopeel, your skin doesn't actually peel off because the laser actually vaporizes and ablates the skin while it does the quote-unquote nanopeel. So if you were to have a light chemical peel, your tissue is gonna get all crusty and peel off. In other words, your skin's gonna peel like you'd expect with a chemical peel. The nanopeel accomplishes the same goal without putting you through the peeling phase because the skin is actually vaporized as the treatment is performed. So that's the main difference. It will generally smooth out your texture and help your skin glow a little bit, similar to a light chemical peel, but your skin doesn't have to go through that same peeling, shedding phase because the skin is vaporized during the treatment. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.